Once your glue's dried, you're going to want to build up your conductive surfaces using the aluminum tape that came inside of your kit. On the base, it's fairly easy. We just need to put it down. Now it's really important that we make sure it's going to be covering where all the keys are going to touch. So let's do a little test. Put that in. Yep, that's looking good. So I'm going to take that out, put it aside. I'm going to take the back off. And put it so that it goes all the way to the edge. At this point you can use your finger to rub it down. You can use something else like a pencil. Just don't rip it. I'm going to use my glue stick even, but closed, to get it all nice and snug. Now for the other side, for the keys, make sure you're doing it on the side that's going to be touching, not on this side. There are two ways to go about sticking it on. One is to peel the back off, stick it on, and then cut between. The other alternative that we have is to actually cut the size of these to begin with. So make sure that you have the right width. Or a little bit less. There we go, that'll be perfect. I'm just going to do it with one right now. See, that's going to be spot on. So I'll cut a few of those now that I have the width. And then I would stick them on. Make sure that they don't touch. Okay, so at this point you have all of our contacts. It's very important that if you have a place where it's almost touching, we pull it away. You can't have any of them touching. Okay, and that finishes that for now. Next up, wiring up our digital so that we can connect them.